In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoom ringtone. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step in this process is to open the Zoom application on your device. If you're already familiar with Zoom, you know that it can be a bit overwhelming at times, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. Once you have the application open, look towards the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll see an icon that resembles a gear. This is the Settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new settings window where you can customize various aspects of your Zoom experience. After the settings window pops up, turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several categories listed there. What you want to do now is select the Audio tab. It's usually pretty easy to find, and this section is where you can adjust all things related to sound, including your ringtone. Now, once you're in the audio settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. This is where you'll come across the ringtone section. It might take a moment to find it, but it's definitely worth the effort because you get to personalize your Zoom notifications. Within the ringtone section, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu to explore the different ringtones available to you. You'll find a variety of options, from classic sounds to more modern notifications. If you see an option you like, you can easily click on it to preview the sound. This way, you can listen to each ringtone and figure out which one suits your style the best. Once you've found the ringtone that you just can't resist, simply select it. Here's the good news: your choice will save automatically, so you don't need to go through any extra steps to confirm your selection. After you've done this, you can close the settings window, and you're all set. The next time you receive a call on Zoom, you'll hear your new ringtone, and it might just add a little extra flair to your virtual meetings. Changing your Zoom ringtone is a small yet impactful way to make your online experience a bit more enjoyable. Whether you prefer something fun or professional, customizing your notification sound is a great way to reflect your personality. So, now you know how to change your Zoom ringtone. Another step in making your virtual meetings feel a bit more personalized and customized to your preferences. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for joining.